Talandig people are one of the indigenous groups in Bukidnon. They are known for their strong culture, deep beliefs, and love for nature. Talandig people live close to nature. They plant crops like corn and rice. They also weave and make beautiful crafts from natural materials.
We work together to help our community. We protect our land because it gives us food.
The Talandig believe in Magbabaya, the supreme creator. They believe that Magbabaya made the world and watches over them.
Pero nung tema sa gimo ko di apo pangalawa ko na umina ka eman tag umawon da eman ikaw ta amin day talabaho. Pero ako jabang ko iman na ini na adi ko panduwa-duwa so mga dalo dana. Pero kadua iman na maduwa-duwa ha umawa dya sa kanda so espiritu mada.
The Talandig also believe that spirits live in nature. The forest, river, and mountains have spirit that must be respected.
We ask permission before taking anything from the forest. We don't harm nature because it is sacred.
The Talandig are known for their music and art. Their drums, dances, and soil paintings show their history and connection to nature.